Welcome to VQ Probe. VQ Probe is a professional visual instrument for objective and subjective video quality comparison. The main window of VQ Probe has three main areas: Project View, Playback View, and Matrix View. VQ Probe has two Playback View modes: Overlap View and Independent View. By default, VQ Probe is in the Overlap View mode. To change the current mode, click the View, Split Line Mode submenu and choose either Overlap View or Independent View. In the Independent View mode, the left and the right files are shown in full, side by side, and the splitter line is not movable. Playback can be started by clicking the Play button. To stop playback, press the Pause button. Use the previous frame and the next frame buttons to navigate one frame at a time. If you want to go to the first frame or the last frame, use the first frame and the last frame buttons respectively. Playback can be looped by checking the Playback Loop menu item. By default, playback is not looped. Maximum play rate can be set to one of the values placed in the Playback Max Play Rate menu. The default value is 25 frames per second. Use the mouse wheel or keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+, Ctrl- on Windows and Linux, Command+, Command- on macOS to zoom in and out. YUV values of the files become available starting at a zoom ratio of 32x. Use the DEX hex switch to show values in decimal or hexadecimal format respectively. If the current visible component is chosen for displaying one plane, Y, U, or V, the values for that specific component will be shown. Press the PixDiff button to show the heat map. The color represents the difference between a specific pixel of the left-right frame and a specific pixel of the reference frame, from 0 to the maximum difference. Black color means there is no difference. Move the arrow of the heat map color bar to change the saturation of the heat map.